Welcome back to Realistic Fishing. I just got caught in a downpour.
The brake.
I'm using an Abu Garcia Ike Never Give Up high strain glass and a loose speed spool that I'm familiar with. .6XD. What do you think it is?
That's bad.
It's pretty shallow. Do I have a fish? I don't know if I have a fish.
You got one. Be careful.
It's a white bass with a few other ones swimming around it.
Nice.
Come on, let me get up here. I need the pliers for this thing. There we go. That's pretty good. It's starting to bleed. I don't want to get that on the carpet. Cool.
That's good. Is that your first 6XD fish?
That is my first 6XD fish. It has so much drag, I almost don't know that I have one. I mean, it didn't slam it. Yeah, until I fell and pulling, I didn't know. Hey!
Appears to be a walleye. He's so deteriorated.
Mm-hmm. Your shad is dead too, so if it's moving, it ain't the shad.
Right.
Like that?
Back.
Like that? Oh, you're way out there. There's a fish on. Let's see what we got
You can
here.
tell by the bobbing of the head what it is.
Half a
catfish.
shad. Nice one.
All right.
Got one.
Nice. You want a shot of him?
Sure, that's a good one. Nice blue catfish. That one was caught on half a shad.
I got one with
Holy
nothing on the
cow.
hook. You ever seen that before?
Is it the same fish?
What are the chances? Could he swim right into my hook?
Maybe. I don't know. That was pretty amazing.
Don't do it again.
That was wild. Oh, so small. Had a bite though. Nice. Ooh. Ooh.
Lay down.
Ooh. Got him.
You remember your first
Oh.
day?
Yes, I do. Get that one on the Ned rig.
Got plenty of Ned rigs if you want to try one.
If I can't get a bite, I might. Good one. Whoa. Sweet. There we go. That's pretty good. It's got a little belly. What is that? Unspawned or full? That's a nice one. I got that one up on the edge of the dock on the corner over there.
Where I was throwing.
Whoa, I saw him coming after it. Uh-huh, uh-huh. Nice. Second one. A little smaller. Time?
I think so.
All right.
I'd like to explore more around that other side. I don't think we're going to outrun that.
It's looking dark.
Let's go down this way and assess the situation.
Cool. This guy's hardcore. It's pouring rain and he's just showing up. All right, back on the water. Let's rock. Woo! Cool.
behind us.
You got one? There he is, white bass, big one. Right there at the boat. All right, gonna keep this one if I can get him in the live well. Who threw that fucking grub in the water?
But look, I didn't throw the line in.
Oh, that's good.
That's chum grub.
Oh, chum grub. Hey, rainbow. That's magical. Got one. All right.
That's a nice one.
Sweet. Keep it.
We've got 4 in there, so I'm good.
I'll keep it. I'll put it in the freezer,
Okay.
especially if they taste good. I haven't really eaten too many of these. Holy moly.
Yeah, very crappie-ish.
Look at that thing. Awesome. Fish. It's another nice one. Here's what I'm catching them on. It's like a 3/8 hair jig with a twisty tail grub trailer. Oh, I saw him take a swipe at it right down there.
The double jig rig is just
Oh.
you don't want to tie on.
Fish. Doesn't feel quite as big as those other ones. Decent though.
Yeah, get one more in here. Let's go hit that patch of grass right on that cove on the way in.
Fish. This one feels a little better. Oh yeah. Oh man. Feisty. Because it's a striper. That's a new species.
Yes!
Okay, stop. Cool. Not the biggest, but that's pretty cool. Well, I had a great time out here today fishing with Adrian, local musician, photographer, and fisherman. I'm thankful that he took me out on his boat today. We were able to get into some bass, a catfish, some white bass, and even a striper. I'll leave a link to his Instagram below. Thanks for watching Realistic Fishing. Keep it realistic.